Welcome back to Panda-Frog. Today I like to pick a log for Rooknight, hashtag Rooknights200. He's doing a giveaway for his 200 subscriber. I like to pick this log, this point log for you. It's 50 millimeters. Yeah, so I don't know where I got this log. It was one of my first training logs I got. So, and I like to pick this for you. So it's closed, of course. Put this in the vise for you. Alright, let's pick it. Upside down, of course. You asked us to pick it upside down, and I hope this is upside down for you, because that's the normal way I pick. Okay, the first one was good. Sometimes the easy logs can be hard. Sometimes they are open right up, sometimes they're really hard. And it's open. Alright. This was for you, Rooknight. Congratulations to the 200. Here's the key to the lock. Sorry. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Just notice there's something going on here. Yeah, it's not a good quality, I believe. Look at this. That's strange. Alright, anyways, that's for me. Everybody good luck on this giveaway, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.